How's it going, everybody? I'm the BTC Reaper, and my goal on this channel is to teach you how to reap the rewards of trading, whether prices is going up or down. A little bit of news today: nearly 700 million of Sam Bankman-Fried's assets have been seized by the feds. This is somewhat old news. It's totaled 700 million. About 679 million is about Robinhood shares. And then there's some other various amounts that he had on various banks and some on Binance, two different Binance chains, or platforms rather. So he was trying to hide money all over. And so they've managed to get about almost 1 billion of the $8 billion that's missing. And Genesis is filing for bankruptcy, which is... This news really isn't affecting the market because everyone pretty much knew that this was going to happen with all the DCG issues going on, and right now DCG and Genesis are possibly going to go into a lawsuit because Genesis is claiming that DCG was doing fraud. Yeah, see right here, you can see that he's been saying that there's fraud. We have been preparing to take direct legal action against Barry, DCG, and others who share the responsibility for the fraud that has caused the harm of 340,000 plus earned users and others duped by Genesis and its accomplices. So the Cameron Winklevoss, and his other brother is probably going to go after DCG if they don't start to own up to these accusations if they are true. Over on the daily, you see we have a green dot here that is invalidating our red dot that we had. That's why it's important to wait for confirmations. Our VWAP didn't really get too aggressive when it peaked down, and it came right back up. We got this green candle followed by a real big push up that took us to the top of our high volume profile. So it is likely we could start to curl somewhere around this area if we don't break out of this channel. If we do manage to break out of this channel, likely we'll retest this 23.4 area first because we have some resistance and supports back here. And if we manage to break that, then it'd be the 24.4, 24.5 areas. That's the top of this channel. If we do manage to blast past both those levels, then we'd aim for this golden pocket. There's not very much resistance or support after these two areas. And this golden pocket, the only support and resistance we have next would be around this 28.3, 28.5 level. After that, it's likely we'd get a little bit of a peak up. If you're not familiar with the golden pocket, see my Fibonacci video. But we would get a peak up to this 30k level, and that'd probably be where we would round off if we do manage to get that explosive of a move. Over on the 4 hour, you can see we have a bearish divergence as our momentum wave is going lower, even though price is going higher. So it's likely we could come back down for a retest. You see our VWAP is starting to cross down as well. If we look at the 2 hour, you can see that's a little bit more of a aggressive VWAP cross and a little bit more dip on this momentum wave here. If we look at the 1 hour, we have a red dot that is confirming. So look for the next couple hours to see if this red dot does confirm in the next hour or two. If it does confirm, we could retest this 21.4 level. If we manage to break that level, then we could see our 19k retest. And if we do manage to bounce off of this level, then that's when we may see these higher level areas that I just mentioned previously. Thank you for watching tonight's video. I hope you have a wonderful night.